Boy has it been one busy fall season so far. All the major players in the smartphone space have announced their offerings for the upcoming holiday season, including Huawei, who is banking on the Mate 10 Pro to make a splash stateside. On paper, Huawei's high-end is looking like a solid contender, but it is surely going to face stiff competition from direct rivals in this space: the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, LG V30, Google Pixel 2 XL, and Apple iPhone X, to name a few. So let's find out how the Huawei Mate 10 Pro will fit into the mix. Processor and performance. Introduced officially back during IF 2017, Huawei's octa-core Kirin 970 chipset, which breaks down to 4 Cortex-A73 cores running at 2.36 GHz and another 4 Cortex-A53 cores at 1.8 GHz, the Mate 10 Pro surely runs smoothly as expected. Basic operation performance is on par to other high-caliber smartphones in its class, so we're pleased by the results here. Our particular unit is paired with 6 GB of RAM, which is more than plenty to handle even the most processor-intensive operations. For gaming specifically, the Mate 10 Pro is more than capable in consistently delivering smooth frame rates with little lag. If you're passionate about gaming, you'll dig the kind of fluid responses it has to offer. Our unit has the plentiful 128 GB of storage, while the model below it is equipped with 64 GB of storage, and 4 GB of RAM. Sadly, there's no storage expansion here, so if you intend on shooting a ton of photos and 4K videos, it'd be a smart idea to go with the larger capacity of the two. Multimedia. With that gigantic 18:9 OLED display, the Mate 10 Pro is clearly adept in providing that visual feast to your eyes when it comes to watching videos. On top of it all, it supports the HDR10 standard for high dynamics range content. Using the included USB-C headphones, which closely resemble Apple's EarPods, there's no shortage of solid tunes coming out of them. We're thankful that an adapter is included for those wishing to stick with their own pair of headphones, but it's yet again another thing you'll need to keep track of.